Thong Chun Phai Edwin Charles, People's Action Party, 79,664 votes. Ko Kim Kui Nathaniel, Kwan Hong Wai Jasper, Paris V Paramaswari, Sufyan Mikael Putra Muhammad Kamil, E. Jen Jong, the Workers' Party, 55,912 votes. Total votes cast for the candidates, 135,576. Rejected votes, 1,565. The votes cast in Singapore, which have been counted for East Coast, are conclusive of the result. I declare Dinesh Vasudesh, Haslina Binte Abdul Halim, Tan Kiet Hao, Tan Sun Neo Jessica, Thong Chun Phai Edwin Charles of People's Action Party as the group of candidates duly elected for East Coast.
Boo!
All right, so East Coast GRC 5-member team. I